In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get BAT in Brave browser. BAT, which stands for Basic Attention Token, is Brave's built-in digital reward system that allows users to earn rewards while browsing the internet. By enabling Brave Rewards, you can receive BAT tokens through supported advertisements and browsing activity, making your everyday web experience more rewarding and interactive. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right area of the screen near the address bar. In that section, you should notice the BAT or Brave Rewards icon. This icon gives you access to all of the reward-related features available within the Brave browser. Go ahead and click on the BAT icon to continue. After selecting it, a small menu will appear with an option that says Start using Brave Rewards. Click on that option to begin setting up the rewards feature in your browser. Brave Rewards is the system that allows you to earn BAT tokens while browsing supported content online. Enabling this feature helps activate the reward functionality connected to your browsing experience. Once you start the setup process, Brave may ask you to select your region or country from a drop-down menu. Choose your correct location from the available list and continue to the next step. This part is important because reward availability and supported services can vary depending on your region. Selecting the proper location helps ensure that the correct options and services appear during setup. After that, you will see an option to connect an account. Click on it to proceed. This step allows you to connect Brave Rewards to a supported account or wallet service where your BAT tokens can be stored and managed. Without connecting an account, you may not be able to fully access or transfer your earned rewards. Brave will then display several supported account or wallet options that work with Brave Rewards. Take a moment to review the available choices and select the option that best fits your preference. The service you choose will determine where your BAT rewards are stored and how you can manage them in the future. Once the setup is completed, Brave Rewards will be enabled and you can begin earning BAT tokens through supported browsing activity and advertisements inside the Brave browser. Keep in mind that reward availability may differ depending on your location and browser settings. And that's all you need to do to get BAT in Brave browser. The setup process is simple, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.